The disciple, the teacher, will conquer this earth, this world of hell along with the gods. The skilled teacher, the skilled disciple will choose the path of religion that is well discovered like a flower. The disciple has to be understood. Buddha emphasis is as much on the disciple as Guru Nanak Ji. That is why Guru Nanak Ji entire religion is called Sikhism. Sikh. The religion of the disciple. Sikh means disciple. The entire religion is the art of learning. You think many times that you are ready to learn, but it is very difficult for me to find someone who is ready to learn, because the conditions of learning are not fulfilled. The first condition of learning is to understand that you do not know. If you have even the slightest misconceptions that you know, then how will you learn? To learn, it is necessary to know that I am ignorant. This is the basic conditions of invite knowledge. Before you call out of knowledge, before you open your door for it, you have to accept with great humility that I do not know. That is why pastors cannot become disciples. And the more the world becomes knowledgeable, the more it loses its discipleships. The pastor cannot know. This seems to be a very contradictory things, because we think that the pastor knows. The pastor is the only one who cannot know, even if the pastor knows. There is no way for the pastor to know, because the Pandit, the pastor, is convinced that he already knows. He knows the Bible, he knows the Quran by heart. He remembers the word of the saints. He remembers the saying of the enlightened, mean word to word. His memory is full and he is confident that he knows. He will never be able to know, because space is needed. You are already full. It is necessary to be empty. Who is disciple? Who has understood that till now I have not know anything. You too understand this sometimes, but you understand is such a way that you do not know everything. You have know a little. That is where the deception happens. Can I tell you one thing? Either you know completely or do not know at all. It does not happen little by little. Either you live or you die. Either you die or you are alive. You are not a little bite alive. Either you are awake or you are asleep. You are a little bite awake or a little bite asleep. It does not happen. If you are even a little bite awake, then you are fully awake. Awaking cannot be divided. Knowledge cannot be divided. This is the difference between scholarships and enlightenment. Scholarships can be divided. You pass the first test, then the second, then the third, and you become a great scholar. You learn one scriptures, then another, then the third. The quality keeps increasing. Scholarship is in quantity. Enlightenment is in quality, not in a quantity, but in a quality. Enlightenment is a way of being. It is not just the amount of knowledge. It is the process of awakening. Think about it a little. When you awake up in the morning, can you say that right now I am a little bit awake? Who will say that? Even to know that I am a little bit awake, it is necessary to be fully awake. There are no degrees of being awake. When you fall asleep at night, can you say that I have slept a little bit? Who will say that? When you have a split, you are asleep, who will say that I have slept a little bit? If you still present to say, then you have not slept, you are awake. Neither awake can be divided, nor sleeping can be divided. Neither life can be divided, nor death can be divided. A scholarship can be divided, that which can be divided. Do not consider it a knowledge that which cannot be divided, that which descend completely, that which does not descend at all. Consider it knowledge. First of all, give up the feeling of knowledge. They say that this is a way. We have come to you. Whatever little we know is of no use. There is a desire to know more. Their idea of knowing a little bit will become an obstacles. It will not let them become a disciple. They become a student, they will not be able to become a disciple. A student is one who knows a little and is eager to knows a little more. Student means inquisitive. He has set out in search of information. A disciple is not a student. He is a seeker of truth. A disciple has not set out in a search of information. He has set out in search of the art of knowing. The disciple focus is not on what is known, but on what he will know. The student is objective. He gaze is outside. The disciple is subjective. His gaze is inside. He is saying that first I should wake up. Then knowing is the secondary matter. If I wake up, then wherever I look, knowledge will be born. Whenever I look, there will be springs of knowledge available. But I should wake up within myself. The student is asleep and it is collected. Only sleeping people collected. The awakened have not collected neither wealth nor knowledge, nor fame, nor position. A sleeping person collects. A sleeping person thinks in the language of quantity.